Amazing surgeon.
Hey, buddy. Awesome.
Can you see?
Yeah, it's incredible. Yeah, absolutely.
Did I keep my promise? Any pain?
Yes, sir. Thank you. No pain. Thank you.
One little thing.
Oh wow, I can see that. Holy moly! Yes, you did it. You did it.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
That's awesome.
Doctor.
Makes me. Wow. Thank you.
Here's Mr. Utah. Don. Can you see her? Any
I
pain
can.
at all? Yes?
I can see it.
So happy.
No crying.
Tears of joy.
Don.
Thank you very much.
Tough guy.
You're a blessing. Thank you.
Here's Miss Tennessee. Can you see her amazing?
I can see.
Yes?
Yes.
How many years of blindness? Oh,
Too many. Most of my life, really.
And she found a miracle today.
no crying. Real pleasure.
Oh, wow. It's so... Wow. That is clear. See?
How many years you not read?
Oh, probably 30. I can see so well.
There's no crying in baseball, and there's no crying at Dr. Gulani's.
These are tears. They're priceless tears, as I say.